whereby the condominium kind of property operates. And we are calling it the Unit Title Act because the word condominium was not very nice. Haikuwa na taswira nzuri hapa Tanzania. Condominium is close to forever. So, you can see there's an interaction between the Mortgage Finance Act and the Unit Titles Act. The Mortgage Finance Act creates a facilitation for financials. Thank you. It creates facilitation for financials to give credit to the clients properly without fearing that if they default, will take years in court. It can also can facilitate developers to get loans easily from financials. So both financials and developers are very central stakeholders in the system. And then you have potential clients there. The potential clients can buy property from developers. So all that developers do is to get credit from financials and develop schemes of housing and so on. The developers are immediately paid their sale, the amounts of sale from the clients, but the clients take a mortgage from the financials very easily. So the developer keeps on developing without worry about getting his money back from the
Dr. Rico, before you proceed, that's very good news, Financial Housing Corporation.
Yes.
Developers get their money early in advance.
Yes, they get it from the banks.
From the banks.
And the banks get the money from the clients.
The respectful mortgage buyers.
The clients who buy property form a unit association, which is managed by a property manager. They have unit titles, they've got individual titles, say it is flats. Each one is having a title, horizontally or in clusters or whatever. And then together, through the unit association, they manage common property.
That means these particular people living in the society will have assured terms and conditions in the terms of lives living together.
Yes, they have an association which manages the common property. And the secret is in managing common property. Because if common property is not managed, immediately the buildings become totally run down. However, the associations must register themselves to the registrar of titles. The registrar of titles is also the registrar of unit titles. And it is the registrar also of common property. There is no problem in transfer of property at all. If you want to transfer it to the unit, you don't have to go through the usual consent provision and so on. You just exchange the property through the register of titles.
Thank you very much, Doctor. I think information you're giving is very elaborative. I think we are comfortable and we have understood the whole process.
The last comment is said. They are facilitators of the market who must be regulated. These include estate agents, valuers, lawyers, architects, and town planners. There is now a law which regulates town planners. So we are comfortable at that level. And to wind up, I should say there are regulations in place which regulate the whole framework. There is also a process right now to provide regulations for conversions of existing properties into unit titles. This is where a major developer like National Housing comes in. You can transform existing properties into unit titles. Those regulations, we are working on it and I'm the consultants for that. Come June, you'll have those regulations in place. Finally, I must say, there are certain consequential considerations. These include the registrar's oversight. The registrar overlooks the whole system. Transformation of the present titles into condominiums. This is being done through regulations. There is a problem of selling the regulatory scheme. I'm doing that at present. And there is a lack of regulation of market facilitators. I point out what I call the developers toolkit. National Housing Corporation and other developers have to understand the law. There's the Unique Titles Act, the Mortgage Financing Act, the Land Act, planning laws and local government, commercial laws, and certain skills. When I say certain skills, National Housing has all those skills, facility management and so on. So National Housing is the proper and the most prime stakeholder for that kind of arrangement. Mr. Mchechu, I think I heard you when you were working with the bank, CBA, and you said you had a dream that students from the universities will walk out of the university and go into their flats, which in 15, 20 years they will own it. I think with that framework, it is now possible. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Ringo. Let's put our hands together for Dr. Ringo while Tanzanite are coming up on the stage. Thank you very much, Dr. Ringo. We appreciate it. Nehemiah.